I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is JetFormBuilder. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to JetFormBuilder Dashboard. Hover on your form and click on Edit. Now click on Setting. Then click on Post Submit Action under JetForm. Select Call Webhook. Click Edit Action icon. And paste here the webhook URL. Click Update. Now update the form. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select the JetEngine action. Connect to JetEngine. JetEngine connected successfully. Next, choose a task. Map the respective fields. Under Utilities, you'll find some advanced features. Select both checkboxes to display the post type on the admin menu. Per your requirements, you can add conditional logic as well. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the JetEngine dashboard. Then navigate to the post type. Here you can see that a post type was created successfully. It is also displayed on the admin menu bar. Thanks for watching.